Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'll show you how to organize files and folders in OneDrive. So first, of course, you want to create a folder, then you name it what you wanted. I'm gonna name it test, and then here you can upload files. For example, upload. If you want, you can rename the image that you want, and if you want to delete it, you can just press the three buttons next to your image, press delete, and you can create a folder inside a folder if you have to. And you can also delete it if you wanted. If you have unnecessary stuff, then you can just delete if you want to. So that's basically it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.